Hello friends, this is Steven Sir from Anugrah Tutorials, Vasai. I've been teaching commerce students accountancy for the past 17 years, and a few things that I have learned during my teaching experience I would want to share with you. I have a question for you. What do you think about the present coaching classes scenario that surrounds our student community? Well, in my opinion, the cramped classrooms just cannot justify a one-to-one interaction, a personal meetup with students. So you may wonder, how different would it be if I joined Anugrah? Well, let me answer that for you. My mentor once told me that hard work is the key ingredient to one's success. And it is on hard work, the very same principle, that we base the foundation of Anugrah Tutorials. You can be rest assured that when you join Anugrah, your personal doubts would be cleared immediately. So, why do you wait for? Come, be a part of Anugrah. This is Steven Sir, signing off on behalf of Anugrah. Do remember to subscribe this channel, and to all my students who are watching, like, share, and your precious comments, positive or negative, would help me make better videos for you in future.